The device configuration or setup is divided into two major categories: the guided setup and the manual setup. As the name implies, guided setup is a group of pre-designed enhanced methods. These methods guide the user step by step through a particular action. Like we have just seen under the shortcut buttons, zero trim and loop test are perfect examples of enhanced methods. The buttons for zero trim and loop test here are identical copies of the buttons under the shortcut group box. Other than these, there are two more guided methods available. These are restore factory 0 that restores the process 0 to the factory settings and apply values to rearrange the transmitter or modify the upper range and lower range limits. We will discuss the method apply values while we look at this feature under the manual setup menu. We will get to that in a while.